With Kainundrum, you can code a virtual or physical robot in so many new and exciting ways. Let me take you on a guided journey on how to get started with Kainundrum. On the taskbar here, you'll find the hamburger menu, where you can customize your player profile or pimp your theme. Under Projects, you can play Kainundrum's weekly challenges, load projects, or even create your very own levels. Kainundrum is free to play, and if you want to create your very own levels, simply just register here. This invite button lets you share the level with your friends, so they can jump into your game and play along with you. You'll all be in the waiting room until the host, that's the person who invited you, starts the game. In some games, players finishing with the fastest time wins. In other games, the best coder earns more points and gets the highest score before the buzzer ends. I know you'll want to jump into a game right now, but before we do, let's have a look at what all of the buttons mean. Are you a night owl or daytime player? Toggle here to switch between dark and light modes. Now, you don't have to have a physical Kaibot robot to be able to play on Kainundrum, but if you are lucky enough to get your hands on one, this is where you pair it. Here, you can show and hide the joystick controller. You can do the same with the Blockly window. Test out your robot driving skills by using the joystick or WASD keys. And here is my favorite part. Inside here, you'll find a whole lot of fun. Picasso mode is the paintbrush for you to get creative with. The electromagnet is used to pick objects up, and the bumper and radar are used to detect objects by using sensing code blocks. Pulling out this tab shows your current game mode, as well as the different robot views: third person, bird's eye, and first person. Bored with the current level? Try out other game modes and use the level editor to create your very own games. You'll need to register to create your own levels. Need more help? Select here to see more tutorials and tips on our website. We're nearly there. Are you still with me? Good. This is what you've been waiting for. Currently, we are in the waiting room and waiting for the host to start the game. But there is more to gaming than just using the joystick. Challenge yourself and code your way to the finish line. All code blocks are used with a when started block. Blocks can easily be stacked together, rearranged, or deleted. Here's a little secret. Using your code blocks will earn you more points on the leaderboard. Think you have what it takes to snatch one of the top spots? Once you are ready, click Start and have fun in the Kainundrum. Play, code, and explore with Kainundrum